Muscatels. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the iPhone 17 Pro is made step by step.
Each material is processed with extreme precision to ensure durability, strength, and a premium finish.
Temperature is critical. Look at the tolerances here. Rerouting auxiliary systems now, it's stabilizing.
Every unit is carefully assembled and tested to meet strict performance standards. Every device is carefully inspected before it leaves the facility.
And that's how the iPhone 17 Pro is made. Always pressurized from start to finish.